Sunshine and rain and the snowy winter breeze, lightning and thunder to heat waves in the spring. Any way you look at it, the weather always changes. And even when it's stormy, the sun will shine again. So grab yourself a surfboard and head out to the beach. The sun is shining brightly, the surf is just right. It's summertime, it's our time to have a little fun. So call all of your best friends for a sunny day of fun. Now go in the summer sun, go through the fall rains, go in the winter snow, go as the spring flowers bloom again. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. So put your rainy boots on and run out in the storm. Stomp through all these mud puddles, splash your buddy some. It's fall in the countryside, so let's play in the rain. And call up our best friends and let the fun begin. So go in the summer sun, go through the fall rains, go in the winter snow, go as the spring flowers bloom again. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. Sunshine and rain and a snowy winter breeze, lightning and thunder to heat waves in the spring. Any way you look at it, the weather always changes. Even when it's stormy, the sun will shine again. So go in the summer sun, go through the fall rains, go in the winter snow, go as the spring flowers bloom again. Whoa,